Hello, I'm Rachel Henderson and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a super cheery multicoloured tulip bouquet which will be sure to brighten up whichever room you place it in. Now I just love working with felt fabric because it is so versatile. You can cut into it and it doesn't fray, so there is no sewing required, which is amazing. I'm going to show you how to work with wool felt fabric on this video and how to construct three-dimensional shapes and also how to make your own stems using fluorescent wires, tape and wool tops. So here's how to make a bunch of cheery tulips. On this video tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create one tulip design, but when it comes to working on your own project, it's quicker if you cut out and prepare all petal leaves and inner felt pieces before constructing your tulip designs. We're going to start by making our inner design, and by that I mean the pistil of the tulip, the three-dimensional shape that sits inside of the petals. Place your rectangular template onto the felt fabric, draw around with your vanishing fabric marker pen and cut out your shape. Do the same with the petals, place the template onto the fabric and trace around 6 times. You will need 6 petals per tulip. The next step is to cut out your felt leaves, and you will need to do so in exactly the same way as you did for your petals and inner design. For each tulip you will need to cut out 2 leaf shapes. Now it's time to take away all of your pen lines. All you'll need to do for this is dampen some kitchen roll and press lightly onto each felt shape until you have completely removed all of the ink. Also at this point you might want to give your felt shapes a little trim and tidy up and make sure you are happy with them all before you start to construct your tulips. Now you have all of your felt shapes cut out, it's time to make your stems. Take 10 florist wires and starting at the top, tightly wrap some florist tape around them all. Now take long, thin, wispy tufts of wool tops and wrap it around your taped stems, starting at the top and working your way down to the bottom. You will need to twist around a few long tufts of wool until you have completely covered the tape. You can attach the wool with some hot glue, but I tend to find that the wool sticks to the tape anyway, so sometimes there's no need to use glue. It's now time to create your pistil, your inner design of your tulip. Take your rectangular piece of yellow felt and cut into the top of it by about 2 centimetres. You will do so all the way along, leaving about a 5mm gap in between each slice. Now carefully add some hot glue to the top of your stem and wrap the felt inner pistil around the stem and attach at the end with some hot glue. It's now time to add your tulip petals. Working with one at a time, add some hot glue to the V shape at the bottom and pinch for a few seconds to attach together. Now going to attach your petals. Place some hot glue onto the bottom of your pistil and working with one at a time, add your petals and press to attach. You want to create 2 layers of 3 petals and try and overlap them as much as possible. It's now time to glue your leaf felt shapes together and attach this to your stem. You want to go for about halfway down. Once the leaf is in place, you can pull it to stretch it a little, and this just makes it a bit more three-dimensional. Once you have completed your other 7 tulips, you can create a lovely arrangement by placing them all inside your florist foam block. Once you have done so, push the block into your vase. You might need to push some extra small pieces of florist foam inside as well, depending on how tall your vase is. I also recommend trying to twist some of the stems together. This just helps to keep them all in place. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did so, give me a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more of this type of content, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, just pop them in the box below. Hope to see you soon.